let's talk about Pi Network. This isn't just another cryptocurrency, it's a digital experiment, a social movement, and a technological endeavor all rolled into one. It's a project that has captured the attention of millions around the globe, and it's about to enter a new phase. Pi Network is a project that's quietly built one of the largest communities in crypto. It stands as a testament to the power of collective effort and the potential of decentralized systems. The project's core mission has always been clear: to democratize access to cryptocurrency and empower individuals worldwide. Since 2019, millions worldwide have tapped a button daily, a simple act that belies the complex technology and ambitious vision behind it. This daily interaction has fostered a sense of community and shared purpose among its users, mining Pi on their phones. This innovative approach to cryptocurrency mining has set it apart from traditional methods. No expensive hardware, no need for specialized equipment or massive energy consumption, no technical expertise needed. The Pi Network app is designed to be user-friendly, ensuring that anyone, regardless of their technical background, can participate in the network. Pi's promise? What exactly is the driving force behind this digital phenomenon? Make crypto accessible to everyone, not just the tech elite. To break down the barriers to entry and create a more inclusive financial system. The network exploded to over 55 million users, a testament to its appeal and the growing interest in alternative financial systems. All through word of mouth and a simple referral system. This organic growth has fostered a strong sense of community and trust within the network. This grassroots growth, built on personal connections and shared enthusiasm, created a global community spanning continents and cultures, all connected by a common goal, united by the hope that their digital efforts would one day have real value. The belief that their contributions to the network would eventually translate into tangible benefits. Pi's appeal was its simplicity, its ease of use, and its accessibility to a global audience. Anyone, anywhere could participate with just a few seconds a day. A low barrier to entry that encouraged widespread adoption. Now, after years of anticipation, years of development, and countless hours of community contribution, the big moment is here. The culmination of years of hard work and dedication. Today, August 9th, 2025, a date that will be etched in the history of Pi Network launches its open mainnet, the realization of a long-held vision. This is more than an update. It's a fundamental shift, a turning point in the project's journey. It's the transformation of Pi from an in-app number, a digital representation of potential value, to a real cryptocurrency on a live blockchain, a tangible asset with the potential to be used in transactions and exchanges. It's a new chapter for Pi, a new beginning filled with possibilities and opportunities, and maybe for the future of decentralized finance, a step towards a more equitable and accessible financial system for all. The revolution is officially underway, the journey has just begun. So what's an open mainnet? Think of it as the grand opening of a blockchain, no more test runs, no more closed doors. Before this, Pi's blockchain was like a highway open only to select drivers for testing. Open mainnet means anyone can join, transact, and build, no restrictions, no firewalls. Developers can launch apps, exchanges can list Pi, and the world can connect. This openness is what makes true decentralization possible. Previously, Pi was in an enclosed mainnet, real transactions but only within a walled garden. Now, those walls are down. Open mainnet is when a crypto project truly comes alive, ready for global business. For Pi, it's the foundation for everything to come, from payments to powerful decentralized apps. The show has started and everyone's invited. To understand why open mainnet matters so profoundly, and to truly appreciate the significance of this moment, let's break down the fundamental difference between a testnet and a mainnet. Understanding this distinction is key to grasping the magnitude of the transition we've made. Testnet is the rehearsal, a carefully constructed sandbox, a safe space for developers to experiment freely, break things without consequence, and meticulously fix bugs using play money. It's a simulated environment where innovation can flourish without the risks associated with real-world transactions. It's absolutely essential for security, allowing vulnerabilities to be identified and patched before they can be exploited in a live environment. But remember, nothing there is real or permanent. It's a training ground, a proving ground, but not the real battlefield. Mainnet, on the other hand, is opening night. It's where every transaction is real, processed with genuine value and irreversible consequences. Every single coin has tangible value, representing real economic potential and utility. and every mistake counts, demanding precision, responsibility, and a commitment to excellence. That's precisely why the transition from Testnet to Mainnet is such a carefully managed and meticulously planned process. Pi spent years rigorously tested in Testnet, undergoing countless simulations and refinements. Then, it strategically moved to an enclosed mainnet for real-world testing, but still within a carefully controlled and safe environment. This phased approach was crucial, allowing the community to actively participate in securing the network and fostering a strong foundation of trust. Now, finally, with Open Mainnet, Pi confidently steps onto the world stage, ready to showcase its potential to a global audience. It's now ready for real markets, to generate real value, and to make a real impact on the global economy. The practice is officially over. The countless hours of preparation have culminated in this moment. The curtain is rising, the performance is about to begin, and the world is watching with anticipation. Billions in potential value are now live, circulating within the Pi network and poised to reshape the digital economy. The long and arduous journey from Testnet to Mainnet is finally complete, marking a significant milestone in the evolution of Pi. Pi is no longer just a rehearsal, a simulation, or a theoretical concept. It's the authentic real deal, a genuine product ready to deliver on its promise of a decentralized and accessible digital currency. The world is watching, eager to witness the next chapter in the Pi network's story. What changes for Pi's 55 million users now? Everything. After KYC and migration, Pi becomes a real user-owned cryptocurrency, no longer just a number in an app. Users can send, receive, and hold Pi in their own wallets with full control. Open Mainnet means Pi can be traded on exchanges for other crypto or fiat, finally giving it real-world value. Pioneers can use Pi to buy goods and services, expanding from local marketplaces to a global scale. Pi becomes a true currency, not just an asset. Users can now access decentralized apps, using Pi as their key to the Web3 world. For many, this is their first step into crypto, turning them from spectators into active participants. Pi's Open Mainnet isn't just a coin launch, it represents a pivotal moment, a shift in how we perceive and interact with the digital world. It's a platform for the next internet, Web3, a space where innovation thrives, and users are empowered like never before. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a fundamental reimagining of the internet's architecture. Web3 means users own their data, identity, and assets, taking back control of their digital lives. Imagine a world where your online presence is truly yours, where you decide how your information is used and shared, not corporations. The power dynamic is shifting, moving away from centralized control and towards a more democratic and equitable digital landscape. Pi's massive KYC-verified user base gives it a unique edge, providing a solid foundation for widespread adoption and real-world utility. This pre-existing network is a significant advantage in the competitive Web3 space. Developers get instant access to millions, creating a vibrant ecosystem of applications and services. This immediate access lowers the barrier to entry and encourages rapid innovation. Imagine dApps where users earn Pi for content, incentivizing participation and rewarding creativity. This fosters a more engaged and active community, driving the growth of the Pi network. Own in-game NFTs, allowing players to truly own their digital assets and participate in a decentralized gaming economy. This opens up new possibilities for player ownership and engagement, or access DeFi services without banks, empowering individuals with greater financial control and accessibility. This democratizes finance and provides alternatives to traditional banking systems. Pi's mobile-first approach brings Web3 to people with just a smartphone, making it accessible to a global audience, regardless of their access to traditional technology. This inclusivity is key to widespread adoption. The cycle is powerful. Users attract developers, creating a positive feedback loop that fuels growth and innovation. Developers build apps, expanding the functionality and utility of the Pi network. Apps give Pi more utility, and the ecosystem grows, creating a thriving and interconnected digital economy. Pi isn't just launching a coin, it's igniting a movement. It's launching a new digital economy, built on the principles of decentralization, accessibility, and user empowerment. Tens of millions have the keys to participate from day one, ready to shape the future of the internet. This is how a grassroots movement can spark a tech revolution, challenging the status quo and paving the way for a more equitable, digital future. The groundwork for a decentralized internet is here. ready to be built upon and expanded by a global community of innovators. The future is being built by everyone, together, one block at a time. Here's where Pi's impact gets real. Can you actually use it? With Open Mainnet, Pi aims to be a true peer-to-peer currency for daily life. Picture a coffee shop in the Philippines accepting Pi, or a student buying a latte with coins mined on their phone. Shop owners can pay suppliers in Pi or exchange it for local currency, creating a circular economy. Larger e-commerce sites can add Pi as a payment option, opening global shopping to millions. For people in unstable economies, Pi offers a stable, accessible alternative. Freelancers can get paid instantly in Pi, artists can sell NFTs, and creators can receive tips. No banks, no borders. Microtransactions become easy and cheap, empowering individuals everywhere. Pi's Open Mainnet brings crypto utility to everyday life. Open Mainnet is just the beginning for Pi. Exchanges will soon list Pi, setting a global price and bringing liquidity. The core team will drive innovation with hackathons and grants, fueling new dApps and features. Bridges to other blockchains will connect Pi to the wider Web3 world. Pi's future depends on its community, entrepreneurs, developers, and everyday users. The foundation is set. Now, it's time to build. If you're new, you can still join, download the app, start mining, and explore the ecosystem. The vision put crypto power in everyone's hands. With Open Mainnet, that vision is now reality.